that for? What do you need that for?
Mom.
What was that? Huh?
Let me hook it.
Well, hook it.
I think you got scared more than me.
I didn't expect it. Amelia, what is that for?
Mine.
Yeah, but what is that for? What do you wear that for? Huh?
Mine.
I know it's yours. Aunt Mindy bought it for you, but what do you use it for?
Are you buying me?
Yes, I bought it for you, silly. But what's it for? Is it to go on the big boat? Do you want to get up on a big boat with Mikey?
Yeah.
You do? Hang on. Ready, Michael?
Your shoes on?
Yes, she does.
Oh, come on. Get on the boat. Here, you want to drive? Yeah. Hang on, let me clean it out up here.
Are you going to drive the boat? Huh?
He's gonna drive.
You're going to drive Aunt Mindy's boat?
Here you go, honey. See it? Just go under. There you go. Look at that. That's hot. Alright, better not sit in it then. This one isn't hot.
What are you doing? Are you sitting on the boat? What is those that Mikey's got?
What are these?
What are those?
That one isn't yours.
Those are way too big for Amelia.
Huh. Here, you want to fish? Fish with this one.
There's a fishing pole big enough for Amelia. Careful, you almost hit Aunt Minnie in the head. Are you fishing?
Get one. Get a big one. Go in.
Did you get him? Yeah? We're going to have to take you fishing for real on the boat, huh? You already caught one with Uncle Michael, didn't ya? Fishing? Get, 'cause you're fishing. Gotcha.
A bite? You get a bite?
Did you lose it? Yeah.
No. I'll get my jacket. Hey.
What? Don't you think you'd have better luck fishing in water instead of in the yard?
Yeah.
I don't know if I dare get near you with that fishing pole in hand. You're dangerous. Did you catch anything yet? Is it a big one?
Yeah.
Yup. How big is it? You don't know? You have to get it up out of the water to find out how big it is.
You want this awning up?
Not to travel. No, but I just want everything like the gas can, the batteries and stuff like that out of it because I gotta rinse it off and I want to take pictures of it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that an empty can?
Yep.
That can is garbage. That's why she wouldn't run. That can I don't want. The other one that's full we just need to put. You're fishing.
Here's a net, in case you need it.
Did you catch anything yet?
What's this?
That, believe it or not, which your father doesn't realize, goes to my awning, so it holds it down. But he won't listen to me because I don't know where the other zipper part is. I can't help myself here, Mikey.
Oh.
Did you catch it yet? Amelia, did you catch it yet? No.
Hey.
Hey, what?
Fish.
You got a fish? Where?
Fish.
Where's the fish?
Ow.
Yeah, you just caught a Mikey fish, didn't you?
Cat Mikey fish.
Caught Mikey fish.
Oh, cat Mikey fish. Whoa, cat Mikey fish. Hey.
Hey.
Fish.
Hey, I'm not no fish.
And that happens to be Amelia's Mikey fish.
Whoa.
Move? Why? Don't hit me with it. You don't need to out Mindy fish either.
Bye.
Give me a kiss. Come give me a kiss. I love you.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.